And I just finished a gig, and every time I come home it's always hard to find something to eat. So I saw this little thing on online the other day, and I'm really interested in something sweet, so I got this. First something savory with, you know, cheese melted on it, and then I'm gonna try this. This is the Greek yogurt, the vanilla bean and biscuit. And what I'm going to do is actually put this into this here, and apparently it tastes like a cheesecake. So let's see if this happens. I'm going home now to put it all together. See you soon. This is it. I've just opened it up, and what I'm doing is, this is all you do. You just press the biscuits right down and everywhere. Now I've got 8, so I'm going to make room for all 8. So let's see if this works. Everybody's been ranting and raving about it, saying it's absolutely amazing. So we're going to try it. And then you leave it for a couple of hours, and then you come back and eat it. And apparently it will be exactly like you are eating a cheesecake. Okay, so I will get back to you and let you know. I'm going to really pack this one up because I've never had biscuit before, but we'll find out what it's like. Okay, until we meet again. See ya. Oh, God bless you, everybody. Guys, this is Simone from Iveta Simone. Now, finally, the biscuit should be ready with the yogurt. So this is the next day. So how many calories in this? Well, it goes to about 850 to 900 calories. But hey, don't eat it all. That's the moral of the story. But I would probably eat it all. However, also, while you were sleeping, I added chocolate on top of it. So it's like... So let's try now. Okay. Wow. Let's see what people think. Wow. Very yummy. I can see why people love it. It's very tasty, not too sweet. You can't really taste the biscuits, however, well, probably, oh, there they are. See that? Biscuit. Damn, that's good. So it works. There you go. See you later, guys. Bye. I'm back. Iveta and Simone again. What I would do different, when you actually place the biscuits into the actual tub, what I'd do, you'd need to take out some of the yogurt, because otherwise it's very hard to reach the bottom and stick your finger in, and also it overflows when you put them in. And I think, to be honest, I could have probably used about 15 of the biscuits and press them in. I'll just turn you around and just show you what it looks like. So if you can see there, who ate that all? I don't know. And if you can see there, it doesn't quite, sorry guys, it doesn't quite reach, that's the white bit, it doesn't quite reach the bottom. So really, the moral of the story is, take some yogurt out before you put the biscuit in. And also you can put more biscuits in that way, and that way it could reach the bottom. And that's the biggest key, really, because you could definitely have put about another 5 in there if I knew it was going to overflow. So it's just the suggestions. Okay then, see ya.